Next question. Are diamonds exempted from zakat?
As far as diamonds and other precious stones are concerned, ruby, pearl, sapphire, the unanimous agreement amongst all the scholars that zakat need not be given on these precious stones, including diamonds. But if it is used for trade, for buying and selling, then but natural, it should be paid once every year, whatever stock you have, if you're using it for selling. But if it's used as an ornament, the precious stone, zakat is not liable. But if there's a mixture of jewelry, gold and diamond together, then if that amount of gold reaches the nisab level, then zakat is due on that. But on the diamond, on the other precious stones, it's not liable. But again, nowadays, many people, they purchase diamond as an investment, because even the value of diamond increases. So if it's bought with the niyyah of investment, there are certain fuqahas who say that if it's for investment, the niyyat is there, if the intention is for that and to gain profit, then zakat should be paid on diamond. But if it's only for normal use, for personal use and not for investment, then zakat is not liable on diamond than other precious stones.
Jazakallah khair.